You there? Hi, Camille. So it's your big day today, and I want to sing a song for you, only for you. Okay, here it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And guess what? Also, your CC17 want to greet you and sing a birthday song for you. Okay. Hi sis! Happy birthday! Anyway, I would like to sing a song for you also. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sis Camille. Happy birthday to you. Okay, that's it. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.